In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a project in Asana without affecting your team. If you've been added to a project that's no longer relevant to your work, there's a clean way to step out without disrupting anyone else's access or progress. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so you feel confident about what happens when you leave. Start by opening the project you want to leave. From the left sidebar, click Projects, then select the specific project. Take a moment to double-check you're in the correct workspace or organization, especially if you're part of more than one. Once the project view is open, you'll see the tasks, sections, and details associated with that project. Next, go to the top right corner of the project and click Share. This is where Asana lets you manage who's in the project and what they can do. The Share panel shows the current members and their roles, which is useful context to make sure you're about to remove only yourself and not change anything for the rest of the team. In the Share panel, locate your name or email under Members. You're looking for yourself specifically, not the team or workspace. If you don't immediately see your profile, scroll through the list or use the search within the panel. You can also look for the small drop-down at the top right of the project, next to the project name or the Share button, which provides membership options related to this project. Now, leave the project. In the drop-down associated with your name or in the membership options, click Leave Project. When Asana prompts you to confirm, go ahead and confirm. This action only removes your membership from that project. It doesn't delete the project, it doesn't remove other members, and it doesn't erase any tasks or progress. Keep in mind that tasks previously assigned to you will remain in the project, so you won't receive further notifications from this project after leaving. Finally, verify that you're out. The project should no longer appear in your left sidebar or in your project list. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it to check. You can also use the search bar to confirm the project no longer shows up under your projects. If it's gone, you've successfully left and your teammates' access remains unchanged. That's it. You've successfully left the project. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.